Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbud SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here in the first line we have a line with call name. So just tap on it and write the best one for you. You can also remove some text if you need it, but I'm going to only add this text. After you finish, you need to click done to save this new name. Now let's go back, and right here, as you can see, we just changed it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.